RAGE-FPV crates right here. What you got over there, Omar, aka Beatnik?
That is the Tiger Trainer ones.
What's this? What's this? Oh shit, this nigga creeped up on me. I can have these?
You have that one.
Thank you.
At least some for Josh too. These are, oh, they got me two sets. It looks like heads up FPV. Oh yeah, they're HPV.
Come on, man. Show the shit. Show they product, dog. You representing. What you got? You just toss it in.
Oh, they did send me that one. The micro. Team Black Sheep VTX.
Can you put this on the frame itself?
Kangaroo.
It look like it.
Like the bottom placement or top placement? Oh, like up in the canopy.
That's the outer piece, but it blocks the stickers. I mean the light.
I cut out some.
What's that over there?
This is literally the flight control I have on that. On my beta.
Okay.
So that
Oh, you gotta put it together?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
It's literally the same flight control I have on my
video right now.
My beta flight.
You
thought it came plug and play?
Yeah, that's what I thought it said. It said bind and fly on the motherfucker.
No, it don't. I thought so too. It's actually something.
Good,
DIY.
pack the props back.
DIY.
What you got? He ain't trying to show nothing. Show the stuff. Show the. Well, let me do this for him. It's basically
same flight control right there.
Tiny trainer, canopy stuff, antenna. What's in Black Sheep? This is a VTX?
Team Black Sheep, that's VTX. Hey, where are the motors? I want to see these spec motors.
Damn. All four of them, man.
Oh, here they are right here. Oh, that's bullshit. If they look like my betas.
They better than betas.
Oh, they look just like my beta flights.
Hold it right there. Hold it so the people can see, man. Hold it still. I'll focus it. You just leave your hand. Ooh, twist it. Going all good. That. Ooh. Ooh, spin it. Spin it.
Oh, hella resistance. Feel how tight?
Tight. Hold it. Ooh, damn. Strong magnets.
What the KV is on it.
Now, who's out there gonna build this?
I am. I got it.
Okay, you ain't got it. Stop lying to yourself. Just keeping it real to 100. Nice though. Like the box. Got my props back. Very nice. I would do it, but you ain't got no receiver. Ain't give me no receiver, huh?
I gotta wait for my build too. I mean, for my prints. I'm in no rush.
Heard that. New owner of a tiny trainer.
Hey, they didn't give me the straw though, like you got.
It ain't in there. The flip stick. Look in the canopy thing, where the canopy is, where all the 3D print parts
Where
are.
is that? I don't even got a bag of 3D prints.
Yeah, you do. Just right there, sitting right there. The straw.
So that's pretty cool. All I did is really just put everything together one walk, so you didn't have to.
Yeah.
There's the flip stick. I see it. That's the only thing. You just got everything in one walk.
Sweet.